How's it going, Hot Sauce fans? My name is Jeremy, this is Hot Sauce Fan, and today I have Inferno Farms the Green Monster. So stay tuned.
What kind of sauce would you like?
This here, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a pretty liquidy consistency to it. It has Inferno Farms Green Monster on the label here. It's a pretty cool label. It's all green. There's a gnome of some sort on the front of it with a pitchfork and a pickle. Or it looks like a pickle. Maybe it's a chili. Sorry. It's probably a chili. So yeah, so I'm going to try this today. I have tasted it a little bit on some food earlier today just to get the feel of it. On the back it says, this spine-chilling blend of fresh ingredients is monstrous in flavor with only a shadow of heat. A hair-raising experience when paired with most foods. The Green Monster will exhilarate your taste buds and send anything bland screaming to the hills. Only 100% natural ingredients to bring you the best tasting, it's hard to read, tasting sauce possible. We hope you enjoy and come back for more. Greg Foster, Sauce Master. Says shake well, refrigerate after opening. Medium heat. Right down here. It's 2 chilies out of 5. Ingredients: roasted tomatillo, fresh lime juice, serrano pepper, distilled white vinegar, sweet onion, water, garlic, cilantro, sea salt, canola oil, and xanthan gum. www.infernofarmshotsauce.com. Inferno Farms. So let's just get into it. Immediately, I smell the roasted tomatillos and the fresh lime and the serrano. It smells really good. It makes your mouth water just smelling it. That's how good it smells. Got my trusty spoon here. I'm just gonna pour a nice healthy portion on there. All right, here we go. One thing I should point out, that's really tasty. One thing I should point out is you can see the bits and flakes of stuff in here, so it's not like pureed to the point where you wouldn't have like little things, and you can see it. The seeds and little flecks in there. It's a sort of a avocado green. It's very tasty. I'm gonna have another spoon of it. Yeah, I can taste the fresh lime. There's just a hint of heat in it. And I can taste the serrano pepper. Overall, it's pretty good. Everyday sauce kind of feel to it. Not overly there's nothing overbearing about it, except for the serrano peppers and the lime. The first ingredient is tomatillo, so there is a roasted feel to it though. Let's get into scores. This is probably going to rate about 6 out of 10 for me. It's not hot enough. It's not the hot level that I'd really want to have. With that, I would say, the heat level max being 3, I would say it's probably a 1.5. So yeah, about a medium heat level on that. Ingredients, I'm a little off-put by the canola oil. Everything else in here seems really good, so a max of 2 on that. I would give it a 1.5. I'd prefer a little bit better ingredients than those two. The consistency, the thickness. I like the thickness. It's not too bad. It's not too runny. Although if you pour it, I mean, it just comes out pretty, sort of gloopy, if you will. on that scale, I would say out of 2, it would be a 1. The label is pretty rocking. I like the label. So I'm going to give it, out of a max of 1, I'm going to give that a 1. And I really enjoy this sauce. I think tacos, it would go well on tacos. You could probably put this on anything, to be honest. Paired with most foods, it says. It lingers a little bit in the back of the throat. Not too bad, but you know, it's a good everyday sauce that I would probably use on just about anything. Tacos, burritos are coming to mind, especially with the lime. The lime really accentuates the flavor. It's a very flavorful sauce. I can't really say anything bad about it, to be honest. It's pretty good. I really enjoy it. So I got this off of Inferno Farms, the Inferno Farms hotsauce.com website. They were having a promotion of get a free bottle but pay shipping and handling. So if you'd like to check that out, go to infernofarmshotsauce.com and get yourself a bottle. They have other types of hot sauce that I haven't really looked into yet. But I do know that they sell like a 3-pack of 3 different flavors. One of them being this particular, the Green Monster sauce. It's sort of middle of the road for me. I like to have a little bit more heat in my sauce, not overbearing heat, but just to know that hey, I'm eating a hot sauce. Yeah, the heat is pretty much gone at this point. There's no major residual heat. I can feel it in my throat right here. You know, it's like the chunkiness is sort of coming down my throat slowly. That was the Inferno Farms Green Monster, and I hope you enjoyed this review. Please like, subscribe, and comment what your thoughts are on it. Have you tried it? Like I said, it's an enjoyable sauce. With that, I'm Jeremy Blanchard. This has been Hot Sauce Fans, and go get your sauce on.